step away. So going low, that's going to be that easy out of them. And that was wrong. By a little more time again. With the flicker. Almost got one thing into it. And now Albert is going to
International playmaking ultimates. Edward, utilize mo Arlon. Napakabilis ng final slash. Hindi man lang nakareact si What?
Oh, teka lang, mambaot muna.
Pero hindi nila mabibigilan na magbasag na iyon. 1v1 and now they're getting it.
Henry Gold! Raiders!
Mula dito kay OM.
Touching it!